Hey everybody, I'm Fernando Delgado from Stickman Sound, and this is Stickman Remote Record. I'm going to show you very quickly how easy it is to get set up if you're the talent using this system. So you're going to receive two cases from us, the main system here, and then a secondary Pelican case that's going to contain a few items. I've laid out the items here in front and already plugged in on the other end just to make this a little bit quicker. So here we go. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up the case. It's got two latches on the front, and that's it. Open it up, and it reveals the system. Second, you're going to take the power cable. I've already plugged in the other side into the wall. Take the power cable and plug it in here on the side of the system. It's very clearly labeled. Second, you're going to take your Ethernet cable, and you're going to plug it in here where it says Internet. Next, you're going to take your microphone stand right here. It's got quick releases on it, so you will clip the stand into the base until it clips into place. Then you'll take the microphone and clip that into place. And then you grab your headphones, which are tucked over here in the back. And now you're ready to start recording. If you decide that you want a webcam so that your producers and everybody else can see you on the video chat, we've included an optional camera to use at your discretion. You go ahead and just clip it here to the front mount and plug it into the USB port labeled optional camera on the front of the rack. And you're ready to go.